Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It is a beautiful day outside. It is sunny, not foggy, it's cold, but yeah, it is blue skies as far as we can see, not a cloud in sight. I'm gonna show a little bit of footage that I collected from yesterday because I'm running a little bit of a delay, but I watched my first box lacrosse game, which is basically an indoor lacrosse game. But I had never seen field lacrosse or indoor lacrosse before, so we went to that game last night for free because of how our Canucks season tickets work. So I went with Tommy, and it is kind of crazy how much contact they have in that game, but very interesting, very fun. They did not win, but it was their season opener, and we got to see another sport here, so that was really cool. Hope you enjoy that footage, and I'll see you back here in a second. Time to do some folding, some cleaning, some vacuuming, a little bit of a montage there, and then I'm gonna go pick up some things from the pharmacy, get myself a spicy noodle package because I'm really craving like this hot noodles, like the Asian instant noodles, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us before the daylight's gone. It's like 2:30 right now, so it's nothing crazy, but it will be dark in 90 minutes or less. Like I already see the sun going behind those buildings. Really hitting the spot. So I have my hockey game on in about an hour and a half, so I'm going to write a couple more Christmas cards in the meantime because I mailed a bunch, but I have to mail I think like 15 more. So some of them have already arrived. Like my friend in Japan already got hers, which is pretty cool, but I think the ones in the US actually haven't arrived either, and it's been over a week, which is always very funny. I would assume something could get to my parents in Maryland or Tommy's parents in Ontario faster than it could get to Japan, like across the Pacific, but apparently that's very well within the norm of normal.
We did the
Little Cooper
home theater.
Oh, his eyes.
Hung out with Cooper.
His eyes are very closed now. Last minute errands. I gotta drop these off into the mail so they're picked up and mailed out on Monday. Oh, it's way colder than I expected because it was like 51 degrees just before I came back earlier, and now it's like almost 39. I'm doing a little solo grocery run, and then I'll pick up some dinner for Tommy and I. But yeah, it's been a very chill day. I've had a really lovely Saturday, and I'm just glad that I could do my cleaning and everything, because I was going to do that tomorrow. But tomorrow instead, I think I'm going to show you guys my apartment and different things that I've decorated for Christmas. I couldn't help coming into Homsense just to look at some of the cool stuff they have for the holidays, and I was immediately drawn in by cheese boards and blankets and everything that I could possibly think of. I did come in here specifically for a card, but I feel like I do want one of these soft cozy blankets, because come on now, right? Soft blankets. It's also right now because I'm like very cold, so I'm just like dreaming of warm blankets and cozy pillows. I bought a couple of these last year with the little doggies on them. Oh, I love it. This is actually perfect storage for more ornaments, so I actually might grab this. This one has so much glitter on it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this one has a gold running dog that looks like Cooper and Cosmo. I love these small circular clocks, and I want it, but the problem is it's not quite the style I like, but I want a small clock like this. This one's a little bit better because it's silver and black. They're cute sheets. I like them. And then I found two picture frames that I really liked. So they had so many frames today. It was crazy. But how cute. Look. And some groceries. Oh. We're down 1-0. Well, now there might be more happening. Thanks for ordering dinner. Here we go. Welcome to the end of Vlogmas Day 2. See you tomorrow.